Well, I'll go ahead and show you guys the 460 Magnum, MS460 Magnum. I've not cleaned it up yet. I've still got a good bit of dirt on it. About all I can say about it is you can see the tab here that's broke off. That's where the log dog would be. So it still operates just fine, but I can't put the log dog on there. And also my chain catch, my roller that goes right underneath there, is not there, so I'll have to get the roller as well. But overall, I'm going to go ahead and get another cover too. With the exception of the brake band being gone. Now the brake still operates. There's just no band to grab the clutch. So when I start it, as you can see, with the brake on, brake off, doesn't matter. So that's not real safe, so I won't use that. And I have the brake band on order, so. And what a well-loved chain right there, huh? Look, there's almost nothing left. So obviously that chain's going to go by the wayside. Muffler's got a little dent, probably when it hit whatever it hit the ground hard or whatever that caused that to break, and it's also missing one muffler bolt right there. Let's see. I'll go ahead and start her up for you guys. Give me a second to get the tripod set up, and I'll start this one on the ground. She's a beast. Give me just a second now. It's kind of hard for me to see if I got stuff in the picture. Yep, I'm in. Alright. It's going to be tricky because I got to keep the bar up off the ground. Am I still in the picture? Yep. Alright. There we go. Not a bad deal for 75 bucks, and that's the condition I got it in. I did pull the bar, clean it, clean the grooves, flip it over. Like I say, it's a new bar, used maybe once or twice, if that. So, I mean, that's 60 bucks right there just for the bar. And given set, so I gave 60 bucks for the bar and 15 bucks for the saw. So can't really argue about that too much. I am after a 660. One will come along, but in the meantime, if I get the carb jetted and get the dual port muffler, I ought to be able to run the 32 skip tooth chain and not have too much issues with hardwoods, but we'll see. So that's it. Zippo later. Out.